Let this be a reason for you to keep posting your content. Now, let's get into this PR unboxing. First things first, I became a L'Oreal girly. I love to give and I love to receive. So, having brands gift me is like a therapy. It's like a reward. It's like a form of therapy. It heals something in me that I can't really explain, especially what I'm going through currently. I actually cherish days like this where I get to, open up PR gifts from brands I never thought I would, be considered to send a PR package or a gift to. So I want to first of all say thank you to all the brands who have sent me a package, a gift. You guys don't know how much you guys heal something in me. It's such a pleasure. I enjoy doing this. So let this be a reason why you should keep posting your content, keep being you, keep being original, show up as you, don't copy the trend, don't follow the trend, just be you. It's going to pay off at the end of the day. I know you guys can't wait. I also cannot wait.
And honestly, I've been holding on to some of these packages because I wanted to sit down, slow down, and actually enjoy the moment. Because if you know me, you know that gifting is one of my love languages. I love giving. I love finding something that reminds me of somebody and thinking, oh my God, they're gonna love this. I love putting thoughts into gifts. I love the excitement of watching somebody open something that I picked out specifically or specially for them. So naturally, receiving gifts has always made me feel really special too. And there's something about opening these packages that has become a little bit of therapy for me. And it's really not about this product. It's about what this moment represents. They represent growth, represents opportunities, they represent the little signs along the way that tells me, girl, keep going. Because there have been so many moments on this journey where I questioned myself, where I wondered if the work I was putting in was actually going anywhere. You know those seasons where you're showing up, creating, filming, editing, posting, and sometimes it feels like nobody is watching. Yeah, I've been there. But then a package shows up at your door from a brand you grew up knowing, and you just sit there like, wait a minute. Is this really happening? Is this really my life? And I think those moments are so important because sometimes we're so focused on how far we still have to go that we forget to acknowledge how far we've actually or already come. So today I'm allowing myself to celebrate. I'm allowing myself to be excited. I'm allowing myself to open these beautiful packages and say, wow, look at what hard work can do. Look what consistency can do. I mean, I'm not consistent over here. I wasn't in the past few years, but I'm back now. But I mean, being a little bit consistent on TikTok and Instagram, coupled with the fact that I am grieving or I went through a loss, I'm still going through it, but I still woke up, still got up, still put in the work, I still filmed, still edited, and still posted. Whew. I'm not going to lie. There's also a bitter sweet side of all of this. Because as exciting as it is to receive these packages, there's a part of me that wishes I could call my mom and tell her about them. That's the part people don't always see. They see the unboxing, they see the pretty packaging, they see the brands, they see the opportunities, they see the smiles. But sometimes behind that smile is somebody I wish I could share the moment with. My mom was my number one supporter. Like number one, she was the person who believed in me before some of these opportunities even existed, before the PR packages or before the brand deals, before I could look around and say, wow, brands are actually noticing my work. She was there, and I know she would have been so proud. I can just imagine her seeing all of these packages coming into the house, or me just, sending her pictures and videos of me, of the video, like of the packages. Jesus Christ, probably more excited than I am. She would have been. And knowing her, she would have wanted to know what everything was, who sent it, what I was going to use it for. And she probably would have claimed something too. Like the fragrances, because my mom loved smelling good too. She was a fragrance girly. That's the part about grief that can catch up completely off guard. It would catch you off guard, trust me. I even went through that last night. It's always something. But yeah. We pull through. We're gonna pull through. We are pulling through. You can be having You can be having one of the happiest moments, and suddenly remember the person who isn't here to experience it with you, and it hurts. It really, 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 really does, because success feels different when the person you wanted to celebrate with isn't physically here. I know she sees me. These are moments. Or would I say, there are moments when I catch myself thinking, Mom would love this. I always do. Or I wish I could show her this. And sometimes I just have to sit with that feeling. I don't try to push it away anymore. I don't. Because sometimes healing doesn't look like some huge life-changing moment. To be honest, it looks like opening a Christmas package or PR package on Christmas morning. Like, that's what I feel like it looks like. Sometimes healing looks like getting out of bed. Sometimes it looks like putting on your favorite fragrances. I love this one so much because every day I go in my closet room, I put on I pick out a scent for the day, or maybe if I'm going for a walk, I pick out a scent for a walk. I pick out my gym scent. It's therapeutic, it's healing, getting out of bed. Sometimes I don't feel like getting out the bed. So healing looks like that. And sometimes it looks like doing your makeup. Sometimes it looks like cleaning your closet or cleaning your home and cleaning your kitchen, finally cleaning your room. Sometimes it looks like sitting in front of the mirror and saying, okay, let's create something today. And sometimes healing looks like opening a box. A simple box that reminds you that life is still happening. That there are still beautiful things waiting for you out there. So, don't give up, y'all. Do not give up, because brands like Miu Miu sending me a PR package, sending me a fragrance that I actually fallen in love with makes me so happy. My first Miu Miu fragrance was the Miu Miu Mutine, which you can see over there on my fragrance wall. I got the big bottle last year for my birthday. My best friend got it for me, and it was amazing. It has a strawberry notes in there that I love. So sometimes healing looks like doing you.